Hi friends, my name is RAJASEKHAR Reddy, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And in the previous video we have seen ngIf Directive. How exactly we are going to, suppose you have a list of students objects you have. I want to display dynamically in the browser by using ngIf Directive. There is a predefined directive is available. With that we have seen one example. What we have done in the previous example is we have created one component, student component, and in the student component I have created I taken one variable student object students, and I have a array of students, a list of students I have, and the student list I am iterating by using ngIf. You can see that this is the syntax I have used. In the student component.ts we have one selector array is there. The same selector I am used in the parent component.html. You can see that the same selector I have used in here, so that it is working and the data is coming as I expected. In this video what I am trying to do is, suppose you have a the component has a list of students. The student component has a list of student objects is there. That's why you are seeing the data in the data in the HTML page. Suppose the data is empty and still you are seeing that headers here. What I will do is, let me remove all the data from the students here. Let me save it. This time for recompile. You can see that it is still showing the headers available in that table. Ideally it should not show. In order to handle it, there is a directive introduced in Angular, that is ngIf. In this video we are going to see that one. For that what I will do is, let me go to your student component.html file. Let me write the ngIf directive here. What I will do is star, the syntax for is star ngIf equal to, right, you want to check the students, right? Write the same variable name here, students dot length greater than 0. If the length is greater, if students dot length greater than 0, then show it, otherwise it will not show. What will do is, you can see that now the header is, it is not showing the header. Let me write the same data in the student component. I am trying to write the list of students here, trying to save it. You can see that there are 5 students. Now it is showing the header all. What I will say, let me remove some of the students from the here. Let me remove this one. Now only 2 students are available. You can see that there are only 2 students are it is showing. Let me have only 1 student here. Let me save it. You can see that only 1 student is showing. What I will say, I will remove the student also from here. Let me save it. You can see that now it's working as expected. If the list is greater than 0, then it is showing the table information. Otherwise, it is not showing. Let me control Z. Let me save. You can see that now it is working as expected. And in this video, we have seen ngIf Directive. In ngIf Directive, it is a predefined directive. There are different directives like ngIf, ngIf, like that. In this video we have seen ngIf. If you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And thank you friends, thank you for watching.